Welcome back to our channel, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. So with modern vehicles today, a lot of them have what's called independent suspension. The majority of them do. Even the big monsters like Lincoln Navigators have got complicated suspensions with components such as lateral links. And if you're ever heading off to your dealer or at your garage being told you need a lateral link, that's what we're going to talk about today with our man Dan. Where are you, Daniel?
I'm over here.
World, this is Dan. Dan, this is World. So we're working on some lateral links.
Yes, sir.
So can you show everybody what a lateral link is?
This right here is a lateral link.
Okay.
So basically it sits on top of the knuckle and goes all the way back into the body. What we had is the customer came in when we were doing our inspection. We could move this whole wheel up and down, and we're experiencing some play inside of this ball joint right here. If I can grab the old one and show you exactly what that looks like. So this in here is essentially clicking back and forth.
Okay.
So this is pretty loose, and this one in here I can guarantee is a lot tighter.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, essentially all we had to do is one bolt out in the back. A little tricky, but I got my trusty dusty tool here.
Nice. What does that do? Trusty dusty.
This is my favorite tool. I don't get to use it very often, but when I do, it's great. So this bolt right here, you hook that on.
That's a bugger.
And then I can put this on here.
Look at that.
And get the gun into tight region.
Tightening it up.
Yeah, and I can just, yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, not too bad.
Makes life a lot easier.
Makes it a little bit quicker to
Nice.
get things in and out, and yeah, it's a lot easier with that.
Doing some brakes too by the looks of it?
Yeah, rear brakes, they were down to almost nothing. Pretty low on the inboard side here compared to a fresh one.
Let's take a look. Yeah, it's definitely down.
Yep.
Wow.
So we're getting that done while we're in here.
Nice. And then we'll do a four-wheel alignment.
Yeah, get it all aligned, make sure that it's going down the road straight.
No more noise, stopping well.
Yep.
Great job, Dan.
Exactly.
Keep up the good work, buddy.
Thanks.
There you have it, my friends. You or anyone you know's got a Lincoln Navigator. Got noise, funny feelings, wearing tires, that kind of thing. Give us a try. Urban Automotive, 886 Winston Churchill Boulevard. Safety first. Have a great day.